how you can activate your Metrobank credit card. Now, before I teach you guys how to do that, just go down below and hit the subscribe button if you are new and press the bell icon so you don't miss out on any of our future videos. So let's start. First things first, just open up your web browser and search for Metrobank credit card. Now right here, after you type in activation, this site will pop up right here. Now as you can see right here, it says Metrobank activate card. Now open it up and let it load. Now it might take some time loading depending on your internet speed, so just wait for it. But after it loads, it looks like this. So right here you will see the card activation point. Now what you need to do is type in your credit card number. Just type it in right here, and after you type it in, just select your expiration date. Now make sure that you choose the correct expiration date, and after you type that in, after you set it, you will need to do a Captcha test. So just type the numbers right here, and after you do that, tap on proceed, and you will have activated your Metrobank credit card. So yeah, that is pretty much it for the video, guys. That is how you activate your Metrobank credit card. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye, take care.